The three benefits of dollar cost averaging for retirement investors. Number one, you are turning volatility into an opportunity. So think about this. When the stock market is down, like it is right now, depending on when you're listening to this podcast, I presume that it's going to be down for a little while, or it's going to be volatile for a little while here this year. When the stock market's down, the money that you're investing is buying more of whatever you're invested in. So a mutual fund that you're invested in, that money is buying more shares of that investment. You're buying things on a discount. And who doesn't like buying things on a discount? Essentially, you are buying more shares when the stock market is down. So, in essence, you are averaging the cost, your entry point into the stock market. So, it helps minimize some of that volatility. So, consider this: investors who stayed true to their strategy, they stayed consistent to their strategy, recovered quicker in the 2008 2009 recession. So, same thing would hold true today. If we're going to be in an elongated market downturn and you have a long time until retirement, you're just buying more and more of your investment at a discount. So stay consistent. Number two, the second benefit of dollar cost averaging is it removes the emotion from investing, right? It removes that, I don't want to throw good money towards bad money. It's in a bad market. It doesn't feel good to invest right now. My portfolio is down. We're removing that emotion completely. And look, I am not minimizing that. It is hard to look at your investment account and see your values down. I get it. I've got money invested in the market. I have conversations with a lot of you, and it is difficult. It is time. It is difficult, and it is a hard to make it through times like this. So dollar cost averaging says, I don't care what the market's doing. On a regular basis, when I get paid, I'm going to put a set amount of money, a percentage, into my investment portfolio, regardless. No emotion. We're not trying to start and stop based off what we think the market's going to do. All right. The third benefit of dollar cost averaging is you are building a very important habit that's going to help you build wealth, and that is discipline. In fact, I guess you're building it. Essentially, what you're doing is you're automating that skill set, right? You're not having to remember to do it. It is automatically doing it. Whenever you get paid, you are putting the same amount of money in the investment regardless of what's happening. You don't have to think about it. So those small investments over time, which is what discipline is, doing the right thing over and over and over and over again, those small investments are growing into a bigger pot of money. So let's just go ahead and automate this wealth building skill of discipline. And let me tell you, the system, the process of automating it will win out day after day, as opposed to leaving it to your emotion. So systems win over emotions in the long run. All right, so those are our three benefits of dollar cost averaging.